We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome one day. The word we holds a very significant role in our life. The day we realize that it's not about me and me, but it's always about we and we will have a better India, we will have a better world around. We should be always uplifting others and help others to grow around us. We in fact talk about a lot about uplifting others, but how many of us actually do that? Everybody talks about it. Had everybody had the same thought, the world would have looked different. Our human mind is very much limited. It's very much limited amongst our own community and amongst our own people. And which is why the words like biasness, nepotism, then when a person goes to college, there's all ragging and all. Everything happens that. Because people, they don't accept others so easily. And I bet you on that. A lot of us can relate. It's a different thing that if we could accept it or we cannot accept it. Because people cannot accept other people's success. That's a brutal and bitter truth of life. But of course, there are people who always uplift others. There are people who always help others to grow, because 5 fingers are not same and each finger has its own value and potential. The day we realize that all the 5 fingers has different abilities in life, similarly 5 people in life whom you're surrounded with or probably around you has different potential. We have to stop believing that we are the best, because there's no limit to learn, and we should have that eagerness to learn from anyone and everyone, be it someone who is younger in age, be someone who is elder to us, or probably someone who is doing better in life at your age. The day we are open to that openness, and the day we are are ready to accept that no, I can learn from him or her, trust me, that is the day when you can become the best version of yourself, and you can enrich your knowledge, and at the same time whatever value you have, you can impart it amongst the people around you. The real success in life comes when you uplift others and help others to grow, and not by outshining others. Because remember always, the sky would awfully look darker with just one star in the sky. If there are other stars as well, which is glowing and shining, the sky would look much, much better. So start helping people around. Start and provide your values, whatever you have, and also learn from them, grasp their values as well. All right. And also another thing I would like to say, start clapping for others. We should always be clapping for others and appreciating others, because if we do not clap for others, remember, our turn will never come in life. All right. Hope you have liked it. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.